The HULKMAN Alpha85S jump starter kit is a powerful and reliable solution for starting vehicles with large gas or diesel engines, delivering up to 2,000 amps of peak current. This jump starter kit features a unique preheating technology, allowing it to function effectively even in extremely cold temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Included with the jump starter is a premium quality EVA protective bag, which offers comprehensive protection against bumps, dents, and scratches. The device boasts a patented 65-watt speed charging capability, which allows it to be fully recharged in just 1.5 hours. Built for durability, the HULKMAN Alpha85S is rugged and ready for adventure, featuring rain resistance, dust tightness, and drop resistance with an IP65 rating. The jump starter kit also offers versatile charging options with both USB-A and USB-C ports, making it a convenient choice for charging a variety of electronic devices.